that we have known what Superbase is and how to create an organization, and then within that organization, how we can create a project and a table within that, it's time now to take a step forward and connect that Superbase table that we have created with our Next.js application. Now, to create Next.js application, all we need to do is run this command npx create next app with Tailwind. And you can see I've provided a dot after that, which is basically pointing to the current directory. And over here, you will be getting some prompts which we need to answer. Like over here, it says, would you like to use TypeScript? Yes or no? My answer over here, as you can see, we have selected no. Press enter, and you'll then find another question coming up. Would you like to use ESLint? I would say no to this as well. And would you like to use src directory? I would say no to this as well. And would you like to use app router? And this one is recommended, so we'll go ahead with yes. And then here it says, would you like to customize the default import alias? We'll go with no. And then it's going to create our default project. And there we have it. The project has been created. As you can see over here, we have this node modules directory, the public folder, some configuration files, and a readme file along with Tailwind configuration and the app directory itself. Now the next one we'll be looking at how we can query data from Superbase using Next.js.